Welcome to Remhoogte. We're situated in the heart of the winelands in Stellenbosch, and this is our family farm.
Today we're in our beautiful bush vine Pinotage block, newly labelled the Vantage Pinotage because of this beautiful vantage point we have here over Stellenbosch.
On the nose of this Pinotage, we get loads of fresh, juicy fruit, so lots of strawberries, cherries, currants, and then that's all freshened by a nice savoury spice, a bit of cinnamon, some mint, and there's a bit of a fynbos spice to it. On the palate itself, that juiciness really follows through, so loads of that nice fresh cherried fruit, the currants again, and then not overly tannic. I'm very gentle with the grapes so as not to over-extract. I really want this to be a really drinkable Pinotage, so you can have it with or without food, and yeah, enjoy.